What if your phone could actually do things instead of just chat? I'm talking real automation, offline, no cloud needed. Function Gemma just changed everything about AI. This thing runs on your phone and controls your entire life. It's small, it's fast, and it's completely private. Let me show you how this works. Okay, so most AI right now just talks to you, right? You ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer, cool. But it doesn't actually do anything. It just sits there and chats. Function Gemma is different. This thing actually takes action. You tell it what you want, it does it right there on your device. No waiting, no internet needed, nothing. So, what is Function Gemma exactly? It's a small AI model from Google, super tiny, only 270 million parameters. But here's the crazy part, this tiny model does something the big ones can't. It turns your words into actual actions on your device. Let me explain what that means. You say, turn on my flashlight. Function Gemma doesn't just understand what you said, it creates the actual code to turn on your flashlight. Then your phone runs that code. Flashlight turns on, done, no cloud, no delay, just instant action. This is called function calling, and it's the future of AI. Instead of AI that just talks, we're getting AI that actually does stuff. And because Function Gemma is so small, it runs right on your phone, your laptop, even your smartwatch, anywhere. So how does this thing actually work? There's a simple process. First, you define what functions your device can do, like set a reminder, turn on the lights, send a text, whatever. Second, you give Function Gemma a command in normal language. Third, Function Gemma converts that into structured code, like a JSON format that your device understands. Fourth, your device executes that code, reminder gets set, done. The whole thing happens in milliseconds. You don't see any of this. You just say what you want. It happens. That's it. Now, let me show you what you can actually do with this. The use cases are insane. First up, automation and productivity. Set reminders, create calendar events, control your phone settings, change your volume, turn your flashlight on and off, all with just your voice or a text command. No touching your phone, no opening apps. Just tell it what to do. Second, smart home control. This is huge. You can connect Function Gemma to your smart devices, lights, thermostats, cameras, locks, whatever. Then just talk to your phone. Turn off the living room lights, set the temperature to 70, lock the front door. All of it happens locally. No cloud delay, no privacy concerns. Your commands stay on your network. Third, offline AI assistant. This is my favorite part. You're on a plane, no internet, but you still have a full AI assistant. It can help you organize your notes, set up your schedule, run local scripts, do calculations, all without any connection. That's powerful. And here's where it gets really interesting for developers. You can fine tune Function Gemma for your specific needs. Want an AI that controls your entire smart office, train it on your devices, want one that automates your workflow, teach it your processes. The model is small enough that you can customize it easily. All right, so if you want to take your business to the next level, Google released a bunch of demo projects that show this off. There's one called Mobile Actions. It shows Function Gemma controlling a phone's calendar, contacts, and settings all through natural language. You just talk. The phone does everything. Another demo is called Tiny Garden and Physics Playground. These are browser games. You give commands in English, Function Gemma turns them into game actions. It's wild seeing an AI actually play games based on what you say. Now, if you want to start building with Function Gemma yourself, there are tons of resources. The model is available on Ollama. That's a platform that makes it super easy to run AI models locally. Just download it, run one command, you've got Function Gemma running on your machine. Google also put the official model on Hugging Face. That's where you can download the actual model weights, fine tune it, integrate it into your own projects. And it works with basically every AI framework out there. Hugging Face Transformers, NVIDIA Nemo, Vertex AI, LM Studio, Llama.cpp, all of them. So no matter what tools you already think about what happens when every device has an AI like this, your phone automates your entire schedule, your laptop handles all your repetitive tasks, your smart home runs itself based on your habits, your car coordinates with your calendar, everything just works, you don't manage it. The AI does, and because it's all local, it's fast. You're not waiting for cloud responses. You're not dealing with internet lag. You're not sending your data to some server. It all happens right there, instant. Here's another thing. Function Gemma is designed to work with bigger AI models, so you can have a hybrid system, quick, simple tasks. Function Gemma handles them locally, super fast. Complex tasks that need more power, those get sent to a bigger model in the cloud, best of both worlds. This is especially powerful for businesses. Right now, if you want to automate something, you usually need to hire a developer. They build some custom integration. Takes time. With Function Gemma, you can set up automation yourself. Define what you want, Let the AI handle the rest. No coding required. I'm seeing companies use this for customer service, internal tools, data processing, all kinds of stuff. And because it runs locally, they're not worried about data leaving in their network. It's all self contained. Google designed it this way on purpose. They want AI everywhere, not just on expensive devices. They want it accessible. And Function Gemma proves you don't need billions of parameters to do useful stuff. You just need the right training. The tools are all open source. Google released everything, the model weights, the training code, example projects. They want people building on this. And the community is already going crazy with it. People are making smart home controllers, personal assistants, task automation systems, all kinds of stuff. If you're a developer, this is your chance to get in early. Function calling AI is about to explode. Every app will need this. Every device will want this. Learning how to build with it now puts you way ahead. If you're not a developer, you should still pay attention because this tech is coming to every device you own. Your phone's next update might include something like this, your computer, your watch, all of them. Understanding what it can do helps you use it better. The big picture here is that AI is moving from thinking to doing, and it's moving from the cloud to your pocket. Those two shifts together change everything. We're not asking AI for answers anymore. We're asking it to handle our lives. And it can do that now, locally, privately, fast. So here's what I want you to do. Go check out Function Gemma on Alarma, download it, play with it, see what it can do. Even if you're not technical, you can run the demos. See how it turns language into action. It'll blow your mind. Then think about your own life. What tasks do you do every day that could be automated? What apps do you open over and over? What buttons do you click? All of that can probably be handled by something like Function Gemma. You just need to set it up.